Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a pretty cool duck telephone. It's kind of unique because it's a single piece, and you pick it up and it's a telephone, and I'll show it here to you. This is the initial checkout of this duck, and basically Wally sent this in from Canada, and so Wally is from Canada. And most ducks that we work on here are two-piece. You'll have a base, and then you'll have a part which would be like the head part that you would pick up, and then you'd see the phone underneath. But this is a single piece here, and I have it plugged into the analyzer. I'm going to set it back down here, and this gives you kind of a look at it. It's a pretty cool duck phone. Now I'm ringing the phone, and you can probably hear the piezo buzzer a little bit, but it's not very loud. And a lot of them weren't loud, but in this case, this one is way too low on the ring cycle, and you can barely hear the piezo buzzer. I do have dial tone, but if you notice the analyzer right here, usually that would have a little of a red indication just through some of the feedback through the receiver and having dial tone. But as you can see, when I tap where the microphone would be, you don't get any kind of modulation. So there's no modulation going through. That's out of the telephone. And if you try to dial it, it will not dial. And it will not dial in the tone mode, and I just put it on the pulse mode. And it will not dial in either mode. So basically, the only thing that's working on this telephone is the receive and a little bit of the ring from the piezo buzzer, which is basically not loud enough. So this phone is going to have some multiple problems. We don't get much time on YouTube, but basically what I'm going to try to do here is I'm going to try to take it apart real quick, and we'll see what we, just to kind of give you a look at the inside of the duck here. And see if I can't start taking this apart real quick. And this is going to be kind of a tough one, because what's going to happen is I think they have a sticker in here. Okay, no, it's a piece of paper, so we can get to that. But you want to get this open so that you can get to the screws. Now I'll try to get this out and show you a look. They don't really give us a whole lot of time here. We'll see if we can't lift this telephone out of here. This gives you some kind of a look as to how it is set up. Now, when it's on hook, the lights in the eyes do light up. I don't know if you're picking that up on the video, but the eyes do light up red, and you can see the wires going up to the eyes and the head of the duck. So basically, this is the main PC board, and what we're going to be doing is troubleshooting this board. It has the older style As you can see here, it has the older style crystal for the IC chip that's in it, which would be the tone generator, and that's located right here. And I'll get some numbers off of the chip and kind of go through that a little bit. And we have another chip here, so it's not uncommon to have a couple of different chips in some of these more. I would say this is more of a pretty simple layout for the main board. And then we just have some ribbon cable that runs down to the dialing board or the keypad. So we're going to just go through and troubleshoot out the board. Chances are what we're going to find is we're going to find some of the amplification that it takes. A lot of the times the receive and transmit will run through some of the IC chips, and which is the tone generators or amplifiers for the receive and transmit. And since it won't dial out, we're going to probably find something wrong in the tone generator IC circuit. And that could be on the board, it could be the chip, it could be both. It could be on the board and the chip. So I'll get a look at it, troubleshoot it out. I'm going to try to do another video of this telephone showing you what we found wrong with it, and if we get a chance, and the repair that we did to it. But this kind of gives you a look at a duck telephone that's a single piece. And it's pretty cool because it's a smaller duck, and it's a single piece. So it's kind of unique, and I thought it would be great for a video and show you that, because it is kind of neat. And I'm used to seeing the two-piece ducks where they have a base and then you lift up the top of the part of the body. And so this makes this one a little unique and kind of cool. I kind of like this one. And the other ones are a lot bigger, they're a lot longer, and I just don't care for them as much as I do this smaller version. So it's pretty neat. This gives you some kind of an idea of what this board looks like on the component side and then the underneath. And so it's pretty neat. Anyway, basically I'll try to do some more videos of this telephone once we start on it and get into the troubleshooting process, and I might even be able to show you the repair on it. Just depends on how long it may take, and we don't get too much time, only about 10 minutes for these videos. So anyway, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can get us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.